Hi guys, welcome to another Jack's Fry Up. This is season 3, episode 7. Today we got the original shreddies, the Millac, the jug and the bowl. So we might do the Millac first. So yeah, do the Millac first. Sugar plum, man.
Can I just get to the bin now?
Yeah. There you go. You want this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So nothing's new except me and my mum are thinking about getting a glass cabinet for my room.
Your birthday, auntie.
Yeah, but it's for my room.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know, I was just saying that we're getting a glass cabinet, that's all. Oh.
You know everything you're getting?
Grandma mentioned it first, I think. No, I think I came up with it.
No, you told me that you wanted one.
Yeah, that's it. I think I said, oh, I want a glass cabinet, and that's how I know.
I still keep wondering, thinking,
Oh my god. I do too.
he just swore.
I just swore accidentally.
Well, on purpose.
Accidentally on purpose. So there's nothing new else to say apart from Drop Dead Fred and Crissie Crunch.
Rice Crissie.
What?
Rice Crissie.
Nice, Crissie. So guys, I'm gonna have to say bye, guys.